Audio Jungle.
Hey, there are so many balloons in different colors. Today we are going to learn about colors name. आज हम रंगों के नाम सीखेंगे. So let's go. R-E-D, red. Red. This is red color. Red means lal. B-L-U-E, blue. Blue. This is blue color. Blue means neela. G-R-E-E-N, green. Green. This is green color. Green means hara. Hara. Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. Yellow means peela. B-R-O-W-N, brown. Brown. This is brown color. Brown means bhura. S-K-Y, B-L-U-E, sky blue. Sky blue. Sky blue means asmani. Asmani. P-U-R-P-L-E, purple. Purple. Purple means bangni. B-L-A-C-K, black. This is black color. Black means kala. G-R-A-Y, gray. Gray. Gray means धूसर. P-I-N-K, pink. This is pink color. Pink means gulabi. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Orange. Orange means santari. Santari. Now let's revise. Red, blue, green, yellow, brown, gray, black, orange, pink, purple, sky blue. Thanks for watching.